It is Monday the 23rd of August 2021.
Okay, so it's my lunch break now, and I can tour you to my simple work from home setup. Okay, so first, itong monitor na to, it's from Shopee. Actually, nakuha ko lang siya sa Shopee. I got it for around 6,500, and it's pretty big, and medyo actually, hindi medyo. Super sulit siya for the price. Because siya na yung cheapest na nakita ko. Nung nagka-canvas ako. I've been canvassing for how many days. And ito yung the best na nakita ko. And maganda yung quality niya. Malinaw. Naka-connect lang yung work laptop ko dito sa monitor. So, it would be easier for me to answer emails, edit documents, and stuff. And next would be my mechanical keyboard. This is from Red Dragon. Same siya with my speakers. There. Same siya with my speakers. This is also RGB. Na change yung ano niya, you know, depending on what you like. So me, I just prefer it pink para matchy. This is around 2,300, I think. So ang hindi ko lang gusto dito sa keyboard na to is wala siyang arrows. So you have to parang caps lock and then ganyan pa. Pang gamer talaga yung arrows niya. So, okay lang naman. Nasanay naman ako. Itong monitor riser naman na to, this is also the cheapest that I've found online. Usually, it's around 900 up. But ito, I think it's just 250 pesos. Yan. So, okay naman siya. Does the job. So, I guess it's sulit. And then, this is my Realme buds. I'm not sure if anong version to, but I use this for my meetings para kapag maingay and umuulan, naririnig ko pa din yung meetings ko. Yan. So, yung speakers ko is from Red Dragon. Also, ayan o. RGB din. Ewan ko ba, pang gamer to. Actually, kay Bryce to. Binili ko lang siya kay Bryce kasi sabi ko, di ka naman nanonood ng movies and di ka naman nag-music when you're using your laptop. So, might as well, bilhin ko na lang sa'yo. Diba? Yan. And then, my laptop naman is used kapag may meetings ako kasi mas maganda yung camera quality and audio quality niya. So, mas naririnig ako and mas nakikita ako ng mga ka-meeting ko rather than using the work laptop. So, okay din siya kasi kunwari habang may meeting and I need to like look for something, I can use my desktop for my documents while I'm in a meeting. So, ayun. So, this is also from Shopee. This is a computer mat. I don't know what it's called. I think it's extended mouse pad. Parang ganon. So, it works like a mat para hindi na gagasgasan na dudumihan yung table mo, but also as a mouse pad. So, my mouse is the same color, Logitech lang na wireless. And I got this for around 1,000 pesos, I think. And this is around 500. I'll try to link it sa description box, but I've had this for so long, kaya medyo madumi na siya. So, yun. This one, I'll show you. I can show you my to-do list kasi sa work yun. But this is my to-do list from Papel at iba pa from Instagram. It's my friend's online shop. So, I'll link it and I'll put the username here. So, tinan nyo guys, ang ganda. Ay, ayaw mag-focus yan. No? May name ko siya. And then, may to-do list, grocery list, wish list, depending on what you'll do with the list. So, I use it for my to-do list para every morning, hindi ko nakakalimutan throughout the day anong kailangan kong gawin. Ayan. Thanks, Feline. Gift niya to sa akin, actually. And then, this is Tieso tumbler, the insulated tumbler. I use this for my coffee. Ayan, may ice pa siya. But, ubos na yung coffee ko cause lunch break ko na. Weird nga eh. I make my coffee around up to here. Pero nauubos ko kaagad siya. So, ayun. And then, this is my phone stand. Sobrang mura ko lang to nakuha. Parang 30 pesos ata. So, yan. Medyo hindi siya sturdy. Pero, okay naman for a phone. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang sturdy. Basta nasa stand niya lang yung phone ko. Here naman, dito nakalagay yung washi tapes ko. Dito naman nakalagay yung washi tapes ko. Scissors. Galing lang to sa Japan Homes. So, this is 66 or 88. And ito din, Japan Homes lang yan. Tapos may pens are from Shopee. Parang Muji pens. This one naman, syempre dapat may groceries. Pera yung nandyan. So, para siyang money box. Except, hindi siya box. So, money drawer siya. Nandyan yung mga panukli ko. And then, here are stickers, parang clips, tapos mga pins. So, dyan. Mga supplies. Going here sa drawer naman na to, I got this also from Shopee. Sobrang nice niya. It's an IKEA product. Sobrang nice niya, guys. Wala siyang screws. Hindi mo siya kailangan i-screw. Ganyan lang siya. I put my cables. Lahat ng mga kailangan ko na gusto ko pag-abot ko, makukuha ko agad. May chargers. May ganyan, no? Yung mga adapter, notepads, ayun, ang dami dyan. So, here naman, mga documents ko, passport, vaccine cards, ganyan, puro mga important documents na kailangan yung madali ko lang makukuha. And here naman, sorry, tinanggal ko siya. And here, mga extra pens, stickers, mga art supplies, and then my headphones. So, yun. Maliit pa siyang wheel doon para madali siyang iurong. And then, this trash. Sorry, huwag niyo napansin yung trash. Sobrang cute niya, kaso lang hindi ako nakabili ng white nito. So, ang cute niya, diba? Pink. And then, here naman, ay, yung bar cart. So, nag-resell ako ng Rex and Snow Plus Pods. Andyan siya, lahat ng stocks ko. And then, ito yung work laptop na nakakonect dun sa monitor. Nandyan lang siya kasi hindi ko naman siya ino-open. So, nandyan na lang siya para medyo neat yung wiring. So, basically, that's my work from home setup. Yung, stand is from Shopee also. So, yan. And, pero yung case ko is from Spec. Hindi ko alam ba't ang mahal-mahal nila, pero, ayun. This one is my chair. Shopee din. So, guys, can I just say, sobrang sulit niya. Like, ang lambot. Tapos, nare-recline pa siya. But, this is the perfect angle for me kasi may scoliosis ako. So, perfect na siya kasi hindi ako masyadong naka-slouch. Hindi din ako masyadong straight yung back. Kaya hindi sumasakit. So, here, ayan o. Dalawa yung adjusting something niya. So, this is for the reclining and this is for the height. So, perfect. Sobrang ganda pa ng color na nakuha ko and I got this during 8/8. Kaya, medyo mura siya. So, ayan. I love this chair. Sobrang love ko talaga tong chair na to. See? Sobrang comfy niya. Para akong feeling ko boss. Para akong boss sa chair na to. See? So comfy. As in, dito na ako tumatambay. Dito na ako nanonood ng videos. Kasi, sarap niya sa likod. You should buy it.